This is a 2018 Ford Transit T250 cargo van in Oxford White, currently available at Lounsbury Chevrolet Moncton for $39,995. In-house leasing is available, or speak to us about financing. Let us secure your best rate possible, no matter the credit situation. This cargo van has a 3.7-liter V6 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission, high roof, sliding right-hand door, split swing-out rear cargo access, and a 148-inch wheelbase. Interior features include dual bucket seats in front, remote keyless entry, power windows with driver one-touch down, fully adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, and backup camera for added assurance while reversing. It has been professionally detailed and undergone a thorough inspection performed by our in-house certified technicians. We also ensure that a New Brunswick safety inspection will be performed for you. To confirm availability and schedule an appointment to see this vehicle, please quote number 1980A and call 1-888-492-2991 or visit us today at lounsburymoncton.com.